It was a sunny Saturday morning in Tidyville School, but the classroom looked like a hurricane of crayons, cookie crumbs, and paper planes had flown through. Backpacks lay upside down, puzzle pieces peeked from under the rug, and the poor classroom chairs, well, they were very, very grumpy. "That's it," snapped Charlie Chair, wobbling with frustration. "We're going on strike." The chairs, Charlie, Bella, Tango, and Granny Rocker, huddled in a circle. "We hold butts all day and never get cleaned or stacked. It's crumbs here, gum there. Enough is enough," Bella huffed. "So what do we do?" asked Tango, who loved to spin when no one was looking. Granny Rocker rocked slowly and said, "We stop working until those kiddos clean up their mess." All the chairs flipped themselves over and sat upside down, legs in the air like wiggly worms. When the kids rushed in, Sophie, Amir, Lily, and Ty, they gasped. "Why are the chairs upside down?" Ty asked. A note taped to the board read in squiggly handwriting, "We're not standing for this mess. Clean up or sit on the floor." The chairs. The kids giggled. "Chairs don't talk," Amir said. But then Charlie Chair sneezed out a dust bunny and groaned, "Try sitting on me now." Splat. Sophie plopped on the floor. "Oh. This is not comfy," she cried. The kids looked around. Markers were uncapped, glue was sticky on the floor, and snacks were hiding under shelves. "We've been kind of messy," Lily admitted. "Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye."